You're listening to the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm your host, Justin Vacula, here to help you travel the world at next to no cost through credit card points, miles, benefits, and rewards. Make money, save money, and take advantage of great deals. Thank you for joining me for episode number 56, Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus Credit Card Review. Welcome back to another Wyndham episode featuring the new Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus card issued by Barclays Bank. Unlike the Wyndham Rewards Earner Business Card, this card is a personal card, which is one primary reason, on my assessment, that the Wyndham Rewards Earner Business Card is superior. However, the personal card is still good, although I'd first suggest the business card. If you don't have a business though, consider applying for the personal card. For a fuller take on the business card, listen to episode number 54. The Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus card has a high sign-up bonus of 45,000 Wyndham points after spending only $1,000 in 90 days. 45,000 points can give a maximum of 6 free nights at select Wyndham properties, those with a rate of 7,500 points anyway. Better yet, as I'll talk about later in the episode, you can transfer Wyndham points to Caesars Rewards for more value and flexibility. First, I'll discuss different options for hotel stays, repeating some information from a previous episode. A quick search of the Philadelphia area for a Friday night a month from now shows that Wyndham properties' cash rates range from around $75 to $125. For some math, because America loves math, 7,500 points for $75 would be 1 cent per point, assuming you'd otherwise pay $75 a night to stay. A quick search of New York shows a more expensive Wyndham property with a price of $226 a night for 30,000 points. For this New York location, that's about 0.8 of a cent per point. Another location, Ramada by Wyndham Bronx, is $147 a night, but still 30,000 points, so the value per point is far lower. Howard Johnson by Wyndham Long Island City is a 15,000 point property with a cash rate of $100, so that's about 0.7 of a cent per point. Now I'll mention, after my other calculations, that you'll get a 10% discount on points redemptions for Wyndham stays with this credit card, so really embrace the math here. Hotel points may vary depending on property, day of the week, location, and other factors, so your mileage may vary. Sadly, you may be on the hook for taxes on hotel stays. Wyndham's website, anyway, says taxes apply even if you use points to pay. Let's say then on average when staying at Wyndham properties, if you use points well, you get about 0.8 of a cent per point. The goal should be using the fewest amounts of points possible for the highest cash rate property if you're looking to get the most value by taking a so-called budget stay. You can also use points plus cash for a stay, but I wouldn't delve much into this option because the value of points is even lower. Avoid this when you can. Rather than using Wyndham points for stays at Caesars properties, I see much more value in transferring Wyndham points to Caesars Rewards for reward credits. That's what I would do with this card. I have diamond status with Caesars. I find incredible rates for Caesars hotels. I frequent Atlantic City and Las Vegas and stretch reward credits a long way. Wyndham points transfer 1-to-1 to Caesars Rewards, so for 45,000 reward credits, that's 45,000 Wyndham points, or $450 we get in casino comps for transferring 45,000 Wyndham points. Especially interesting with Caesars Rewards, for those with Caesars Diamond status, is access to Caesars Laurel lounges, typically offering all you can eat and all the alcohol you can drink. I say typically because the current pandemic puts a damper on availability, but at least in Atlantic City, I had a 3-course meal and all you can drink for the low price of 1,000 reward credits or $10 in comps. If you pay $10 to enter a Laurel lounge, we're getting 1 cent per point of value with transferred Wyndham points. If you pay $15 to enter a lounge, you'd get 1.5 cents per point since you'd be using 1,000 points or $10 in comps for $15 in value. Better yet, having Caesars Diamond status will likely reduce hotel rates for you. I'll be staying at Bally's and Flamingo in Las Vegas later this year for only $10 a night or 1,000 transferred Wyndham points. Terrific value. Caesars Diamond members, too, pay no resort fees, get free parking and free valet when restrictions lessen, and many other benefits. You can use reward credits for purchases at restaurants, gift shops, outlets, and so much more. The value of points then fluctuates, especially if you buy overpriced food or items. Sadly, you can only transfer 30,000 Wyndham points to Caesars Rewards per year, but it's not a low cap. In the second year, you'll be able to transfer remaining points from the sign-up bonus, and maybe you'll mix redemptions between stays at Wyndham hotels and transfers to Caesars. Caesars reward credits can be hard to come by, especially for those who don't gamble, so it's nice to earn through credit card spending and a big sign-up bonus. In almost all cases, I'd prefer cash over reward credits if both points and cash are earned at the same rate, but those lacking Diamond Plus status and above will need reward credits for lounge access. The Caesars Rewards Visa is another way to generate reward credits, but it's a subpar card because it has a meager 10,000 point sign-up bonus worth about $100, 2x earning categories which aren't special, and 5x return on Caesar spend, which almost certainly won't amount to much. Now that we have a grasp of what Wyndham points can be worth, we see that a 45,000 point sign-up bonus can easily be worth $450, especially when used in conjunction with Caesars. If you don't already have Diamond status with Caesars, you sadly can't get it from the Earner Plus personal card because it only gives Platinum status. In contrast, the business card offers Wyndham Diamond status. At the recording time of this episode, Wyndham Diamond status matches to Caesars Diamond. You can then conga line your way to MGM Gold status and possibly other statuses with Hyatt and American Airlines. Also at the time of this recording, Wyndham Diamond status is harder to get since Hilton Gold and above no longer guarantees Wyndham Diamond. What are some other features of the Earner Plus personal card? You get 4 times points on spending in the dining and grocery categories. Uncapped 4 times points on 2 popular high-use categories is very generous. Cards like the American Express Gold Card and Blue Cash Preferred, for example, cap rewards on grocery spending. Low spenders with other cards bonusing grocery spend won't like this 4x so much because they're already getting multipliers and higher value. High spenders will benefit a great deal here, getting about 2% more than various 2% return cards and even 1% more than cards like Hilton Surpass. Dining at 4 times points is also nice, but many other cards offer dining multipliers, including American Express Gold, Business Gold, and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Thanks for making it to the halfway point of this episode. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're listening through YouTube. If you're listening to this as a podcast episode, subscribe to my feed in your favorite podcast platform, leave a review, and share the episode found at hurdygurdytravel.com. Back to the show. The Earner Plus card also offers 6 times points on spending at Wyndham properties and gas stations. Not bad, but this is less than the Wyndham Business card offering 8x in both categories. 6 times points at gas is generous though, especially for gift card purchases at gas stations like Speedway. A return of close to $30 on $500 in spending is quite nice. Again, high spenders can really enjoy the return here, while low spenders simply don't have much to gain from category returns, but they can still prioritize getting this card, mainly because it comes with a great sign-up bonus. Like the Wyndham Business card, the Earner Plus personal card offers 1 times points on all other spending. This card then likely won't be used much for spending outside of a bonus category, but that's okay. Having multiple credit cards is excellent, so this 1x is not a deal breaker considering other great perks and earnings from this card. The Earner Plus card has a $75 annual fee not waived in the first year, but that's not a problem because we have fantastic value in year 1. And in year 2 and beyond, you get an anniversary bonus of 7,500 points, which is generous, especially compared to other so-called hotel credit cards that offer nothing or limiting free night certificates. Here, with the anniversary bonus, you can stay 1 night at many Wyndham hotels and still enjoy a 10% rebate, or you can just transfer to Caesars for 7,500 reward credits, likely worth more than $75. 7,500 points back each year in exchange for a $75 annual fee isn't amazing, but it's better than many cards with annual fees, which don't make sense paying in year 2. A better scenario, of course, would be no annual fee and no anniversary points, or a $75 annual fee and more than 7,500 points, but the points offsetting the annual fee is much better than nothing. I really do like to see a built-in retention offer like this, rather than other cards that give nothing or having to call in and negotiate and possibly getting nothing. The business card has an annual fee of $95 and 15,000 anniversary points, a much better offer. You also have other benefits with the Wyndham Earner Plus card: waived foreign transaction fees, reduced cash rates at Wyndham hotels, and options to transfer Wyndham points for gift cards, online shopping purchases, and tours and activity. Redeeming points outside of stays with Wyndham and transfers to Caesars Rewards will probably give low value, but maybe future promotions will offer better value. Options are useful even if you don't prioritize them. This Earner Plus card also has a 15-month 0% intro APR feature, but only on balance transfers. You'd also have to pay a balance transfer fee of 3% with a minimum of $5, so probably most won't use this feature unless they're in particular situations like wanting to leverage funds. Suppose one racks up $5,000 in spending on an existing card and wants to move it to another card, this card, with a 0% offer to make money on a bank account bonus or an investment. It could be worth more than $150. I'm not a fan of paying balance transfer fees though, but I imagine some can benefit as long as they aren't reckless. Of course, this episode is for entertainment and informational purposes only. The Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus card is a big win, especially for gamblers and people who will stay at both Wyndham and Caesars properties. Again, the business card will almost certainly be a better option for most, but not all qualify for a business card. Those without businesses and outside of Chase's 524 rule, though, may highly consider this card. 5 or more opened credit cards on one personal credit report will almost always disqualify one from getting Chase credit cards, so it's often advisable to prioritize personal cards with Chase. Barclays can be strict with approvals, sometimes enforcing a 624 rule similar to Chase's 524 rule, and sometimes they frown on multiple credit card inquiries in the last 6 months, so time your applications accordingly. Here in Pennsylvania, Barclays pulled the TransUnion Credit Bureau. I'd say it can be worth waiting, though, if you have many inquiries in recent months on the bureau Barclays pulls from. I combined a U.S. bank inquiry, a bank also inquiry sensitive, with my Barclays inquiry and was successful. Hopefully, like me, you'll find good value in the new Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus card. Personally, I plan to apply for the Wyndham business card first, but I must sadly wait until 2021 for the business card because I was approved for Barclays Aviator card at the end of August 2020. I could see myself, though, getting the Earner Plus card in late 2021 if the current offer remains or, of course, improves. It's also worth noting that Barclays has another personal card with Wyndham, the Earner card, but why would anyone get it? Its 30,000 point sign-up bonus is far less than the Earner Plus. The Earner only offers 5 times points on Wyndham hotels and gas, 2 times on dining and grocery, and 1x everywhere, whereas the Earner Plus offers 6x on Wyndham hotels and gas, 4x dining and grocery, and 1x everywhere. The regular Earner card has no annual fee and no anniversary points, but the Earner Plus is overwhelmingly a better deal, with anniversary points offsetting the annual fee, better category returns, and even automatic Wyndham status. Embrace spending on annual fees because they can be great investments. I'd also wager that one could get the Earner Plus card, and after 1 year, simply product to, I'll say it, the Earner Minus, if they won't find future stays and play with Caesars and Wyndham. What are your thoughts? Have any questions? Feel free to leave them below in the comment section or on my website. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for more content. Visit my website at hurdygurdytravel.com to contact me, find me on social media, read episode transcripts, schedule a free credit card consultation, and support the show through Patreon, Subscribestar, referral links, and buying from my eBay store. Watch me on camera on YouTube and listen on many podcast platforms. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Supporters of my Patreon and Subscribestar pages receive special perks, including an upcoming podcast episode, questions answered by upcoming guests, and monthly private one-on-one conversations. Join me for live streams most Tuesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern on Business Coach Cakeology's YouTube channel, that's Cakeologi, for chat about money, business, and credit. Find announcements and past live streams on my website. Schedule a free 15-minute consultation with Cakeology to formally establish your business, build business credit, and get premium business credit cards. When you select from various paid services after the free consultation, I will receive credit for referring you. Listen to Cakeology on episode 12 of my podcast. Find my affiliate link on my website. Build and grow your business with the help of Burst Biz services. Burst Biz helps you grow and start businesses, expand business credit, and increase your business visibility with online listings. Use my affiliate link at hurdygurdytravel.com for a free business evaluation to get in contact with Burst Biz. Have a great day.